Microwave fun in the countryside. Part 2. Right. Due to certain health and safety issues that have been brought up to my attention, we've put the boy, who's now 5 years old, in a gas mask. Isn't that right, boy? Nod. Says yes, Daddy.
I'm 10.
He's 10 apparently. He's not really. Right. Anyway, what we're going to do is give him the camera. There we go. Safety first. Always a priority. Always be safe. It's your eyes. You only got 2 sets of eyes. And if you lose one, you only have one. And you don't lose all your eyes. First thing I thought I'd be showing you people. Pair of household.
Our hat.
Yeah. Those. Right, I'm going to put those in the microwave. Full power. Full power. Right, now. Plug the plug in. Okay, would you like to shut the door as you have the protective clothing? Just push the door closed, child. There we go. Yes! See some action. What's going on? It's not really working yet. Right, let's have a look. We might just need to have a quick. Ooh, quick. Oh dear, they're melted. Good job you got that gas mask on, boy. And good job I've got eye protection as well. Safety. Right. What's that? I think there might be some of that glass bits in there. I'm out of the way there. Like that. Good. Right, now try and spread these out slightly more. Anything happening in there? Oh dear. Right, well, just makes it a little bit better. Just in case that one, just put some tin foil in there. That's always a good thing. Tin foil. Yeah, boy. There we go. Woohoo! Can you smell that, boy? No, you can't, can you? Hey, there we go. That's a good one. There you go. It looks like it's making plasma out of it. Yeah, we're making plasma. I didn't even intend to make plasma balls, but there you go. There's your balls of plasma. Fucking hell. Have a go on your gas mask, boy. Gas mask. Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. A bit of tin foil. Let them blow me out. Look at that. That's science there. Alright there before your eyes. Science in a microwave. What's it? Oh dear. We appear to have a lot of smoke, people. Hold this bit. Follow me, follow me. You see me? Double dream hands. Legend. Right. We appear to have a small fart. Keep your gas mask on. Should burn out in a moment. Give it a second, hang on. Try and do it. Good. Right. Right, experiment number 2. Assisted. Come over here, child. Come on. Good boy. There we go. Right. I shouldn't cover the camera with your fingers on. Always remember safety first. Right, now we're going to make